All right, you are ready to move on to the next video. So you've already found the class activity folder. You've gone to the Text to Braille website and downloaded the STL of your name in Braille. And now we're going to be making the 3D nameplate. So you want to go to Tinkercad, make sure we're always going to classes, fourth grade design lab, and then in the activities, you're going to find this one, Braille nameplate. You want to go to create new design, a 3D design. It's going to load your work plane for you. Takes a second to load. The first thing you want to do is change the name. So I'm going to do Mana Braille nameplate. You must change the name for it to be printed on a print day. From here, we want to use the import button right here to bring in the Braille we just made. You can go to choose a file. I know we just downloaded it, so it will be in our downloads. I have so many downloads. Okay, I know it's also on the desktop because I asked you to drag it to your desktop. So mine's called Lana Braille STL. It's right there. We're going to open it. We want to have millimeters selected, and we are going to import it. After giving it a few seconds, it will pop up. There it is. Look how neat that looks. I love it. All right, you can see it has these two little tabs on the bottom, which we do need to get rid of. I'm going to zoom in. We want to use the hole to get rid of it. So you're going to drag over a basic hole. We want to close that out. We want to use this to bring the height down. Right now it's 20. We're going to bring it down to 1. Then we need to stretch it using that corner across the whole shape so that when you look at it again from the front, those tabs will be cut off. To do that, you need to group them together. So you can either do Command A to select all, or you could use your mouse and drag around both and click the group. That will get rid of those tabs, and now they are gone. But you can see it's standing up, and we don't want that. So you want to go to the side view, maybe this one, the upper side view. We want to click this one. To make it lay flat, we've got to get in that box, and we're going to type 270. When you hit enter, I probably want to go the other way, huh? So I wanted to go the back way. So you could also click and drag. Oh, so we want to do 90. And you could either do it that way, or you could type 90 in that box. And then you can see it's not flat. That's not going to print. So we need to get that to the build plate. So you're going to hit D to drop it down. So once again, if I go back a few steps, let's see. Once you have your nameplate in, you are going to use a hole shape that is 1 millimeter high. Drag it across. You're going to select all, Command A, or drag around them, group them so it will cut that out. Then you want to go to your side view, and you want to rotate this 90 degrees and then hit the letter D on your keyboard to drop it, and you are all done. If you want to check out how those bumps look, I can see them right there. I can also see them like that, and that is my name in Braille, L-A-N-A, and you are done. Since you're in the class activity folder, you are good. You could try going back to the Braille website and just try some other things or create an alternative shape. However, do not create it in the class. If you are going to create something else, you want to make sure you are just on your home page and not in the activity folder. So you would just go to, oh, we're still in the activity folder. So you just want to make sure you go out of that and you're not in classes, and instead you're just in your designs. And you could go to new design there, but I don't want you to design